fast, and easy to install. Elevation Rail with cable infill requires no special tools or fasteners. The panels include a patent-pending centralized tensioning control system that eliminates the need to tension each cable individually, which can save you time during the installation. And kits are pre-assembled and brackets are pre-installed. Enjoy an uncomplicated shopping experience with fewer SKUs that need to be ordered and inventoried. Take advantage of unobstructed views using Elevation Rail for outside or inside with its modern industrial design and continuous top rail.